Okay, if you've been with me, I've been sealing these this tile, and now it's time for me to get up there and do this edge. It's important to hit that grout line. I'm going to slide this over. It's important to get the grout line right up against there. And so I'm just using my little 3-foot step ladder, and I got my paint tray on top of there like that. And I like this type of step ladder. See how wide the feet are, the foot pegs, and then it's got that Costco, C-O-S-C-O, and I use this for all kinds of stuff. It's perfect in the bathroom here to get up in there and stuff. I'm hoping you can see most of this. I'll try not to get in your way any more than I have to. I'm just using my cut-in paintbrush, and see, it doesn't look like it's much, does it? But believe it or not, this is working. When I cut in that edge, I'm only using half. I'm only using half of the bristles right up against that edge. And so I'll dip a little bit in there. And it's tricky because I got to reach all the way over there. On this first one, okay. See, I'm not using much of the paintbrush at all to hit that edge. Okay, not much at all. Just do the best you can. That's all you know. If you get a little bit on your paint, don't worry about it too much. See, I'm just taking the tip of that and using a little bit of the brush as I'm going right down there. The main thing is to get it on your first coat, and you'll be able to tell because your grout will darken up when you get your sealer on there. Okay. But I only need to do a little bit until I come back and do the rest of this in here. I just kind of shake the brush, you know, where I have to get it in there. You try it a couple times, you'll get good. You'll get good at it. Okay. Let's see if I can't get you situated slightly better right in here. I'll try to. Oh, let's just stop right there, and because once I do the top of this one, then I can get my step stool out of here, right? So I'll do this one first, I guess. Then I can do the rest without this step stool in here. See, I'm just using just the tips. And kind of holding my mouth just right and the paintbrush just right and getting it right on that edge, see? Maybe you can see that better if I go from down there on up. Like that. And once you do it a couple times, you'll get the rhythm. You'll get the rhythm of it and what you should do and what you shouldn't do. Okay. this one here. See, I'm just taking those little bristles right there, making sure I get all my grout edges. Now I can kind of push it in there and just kind of wiggle that and stuff and get it right where I need to go. Shake it a little bit. There. Okay. Now I'll just get it down one more here. Okay. Get some of that excess off of there. I can come down that edge. It's got a little bit of the bristles on there, see? That's all. At the top. There. I'm gonna get this ladder out of here. We'll do the rest without that ladder there. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more video.